Hi guys! So for today's video, ang topic natin ay ang latest chika kay kumaring ever Bilena. And I'm talking about yung EB Advance Shadow Stick Cream Eyeshadow. So I have all the 4 shades and you can get this for 700 something. 780 for the 4. Pero yung retail price ng isa is 195 if I'm not mistaken. I will list the price down below. So, ang gagawin natin, alam mo bakit ako na-trigger na gawin tong video, you guys? Is because, niswatch ko tong mga ito sa arms ko. And then, after a couple of minutes, hindi ko na siya pinapansin. And then, nung ginanong ko, abaday, hindi nagsasmudge, hindi gumagalaw. And I'm like, ano ito? Transfer proof? Ganon. So, the first shade is in bronze. That's what it looked like. Next shade is copper. So, this is copper. Next shade is, I'm so excited about this. This is called Sapphire. God, it's so pigmented. It's so pretty. Of course, last but definitely not the least is the shade black. Yung black, hindi siya like super black. Para siyang medyo like deep dark gray. So these are the 4 shades, you guys. So, mahilig ako mag-lip swatch, but for today, we're going to do eye swatch. Yes, I'm going to apply all these on my eyes, and we're going to see anong itsura niya. But, I would also recommend another video from Seff Francisco. Nakita ko, nag-search kasi ako sa YouTube kung meron ng gumawa ng review nito. And, nakita ko was from Seff. And he's my friend Bilena. And we have a different skin tone. So, if you, I do believe yung skin tone niya is a bit, deeper than mine, probably 1 or 2 shades. So, alam mo yun, you might want to check out his video as well. I'm gonna link it down below kung kayo medyo parehas sa skin tone niya. Good option din yung video na yun. Okay, so first color that I'm going to swatch is yung bronze. So, this is what the bronze color looks like. So, alam mo, ito, pwede ito pang everyday, kahit medyo shiny, shimmering, splendid siya. Of course, you have to control the amount that you're going to put. But if you wanna perk up your, you know, daily makeup, pwede na ito eh. No? Now guys, ito hindi mo basta-basta matatanggal. You need a makeup remover, you need a baby oil to take it off, and that's a good sign. Next shade I'm going to swatch is the shade Copper. Maganda din. Alam mo kung maganda sa kanya guys, diba cream stick siya. It's really easy to glide. Parang ang smooth ng pag-glide. You can use your fingers, you can use a brush to like spread it all over your eyelids. And then pwedeng light lang, and then parang isang stroke lang, and then you smudge it, or you can deepen it up. You can build the shade into darker color pa. No? So, next shade that we have, ito talagang super duper excited ako because it's the shade Sapphire. Hope this works. So pigmented. My God, guys. Ito na yan. This is the best I can do. Nag-struggle ako ng bonggang-bongga. I don't know how to apply eyeshadows anymore. I'm pretty sure it's not the cream stick's fault. It's my fault. I underestimated the pigment. In my skill, I don't think I can use this on its own. Kailangan meron mo na akong base na eyeshadow. And this one will just be parang pang antag to. So ako ilalagay ito in the middle. You really gotta have a transition shade para mas madali siyang makontrol and everything. I hope you get the point. This is... I look crazy, but yeah, this is Sapphire, and this is really, really nice. It's a beautiful shade, you guys. It's just my application that's so horrible. Alright guys, so this is the shade Black. Yeah, it is black. But medyo ano siya, medyo patchy than the rest, than the other three colors. Pero kung hindi mo naman gagamitin ng ganito ka-intense, okay lang naman siguro yun. Kung gagawin mo lang siyang sort of parang pang-define palalo ng eyeshadow mo, or just to define your eyeliner or something like that, I think it will work. Pero yung kailangan talaga ng kailangan talaga ng transition shade for the black one and for the blue one for it to work really well, if you know what I mean. So for my final look, I'm going to try to use all of the colors. Just try. We are done for today's eye swatches. So all of these shades are like really, really nice and very, very matibay. Panghulasan talaga ng bonggang-bongga, but I have favorites. And my favorites are etong si Copper and si Sapphire. Etong si Black, it's not really that black. Pag binlend mo siya, it's gonna turn into gray or something like that, and hindi siya ganun ka super opaque for me. So black is not so much of my favorite, but I do recommend that you try them, you guys. Nasa preference mo naman yun. Ano yung shade na kailangan mo. You don't have to get all of the shades if you don't need them, but if you do, go ahead, because I do recommend them. Maganda rin to, lalo na kung hindi ka yung powder eyeshadows. Kung medyo hirap kang gumamit nun, or parang natatagalan ka, or hindi mo talaga favorite yon, these are really good alternative to use on your eyes, lalo na ngayon na matalan talaga natin yung pwedeng gawing super duper kikay kasi we're always wearing a mask. Or else can I say, I think yeah, that's it. That's all I can say. Sana kahit medyo na-butcher ko yung Sapphire and yung Black, I hope nakatulong ko kahit papaano on your decision making if you're gonna buy these or not. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and subscribe to my channel na, and then click the bell button dun sa gilid para you get notified kapag meron akong bagong upload na videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.